If you're flipping your first house or your 50th, chaos kills profits. In this video, I'll show you a simple Notion system to run your entire fix and flip. Projects, tasks, contractors, permits, and finances, all in one place. I'm MH Notion, and I build clean, practical Notion systems for operators. Today we're walking through my simple fix and flip project management template so you can plan, execute, and track profit without spreadsheets everywhere. This is the template home. You'll see 5 core databases: projects, tasks, contractors, permits, and finances. Think of projects as each property flip. Everything else rolls up to it. Start with projects. Create a new project for your property. Add address, start date, target sell date, budget, and status. This is the hub that connects to tasks, contractors, permits, and finances. Tasks is where you plan the work. Each task relates to a project, has an owner, due date, and status. Use the board view for workflow and the calendar view for scheduling. Contractors captures your trades, contact info, specialties, rates, and which tasks they're assigned to. Over time, you'll build a trusted roster. Permits tracks what you need, who's responsible, fees, and status. Attach permit numbers and due dates so inspections don't slow you down. Finances lets you compare budget versus actuals. Track expenses and receipts.